love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to tell me what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. What's up, guys? It's your girl Tiff. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. If you guys are new, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for your girl. It's free, don't cost a thing. If you guys see me come on camera like this, then you already know, of course, we about to do something with my hair. My last video was a crochet video, and I only kept my crochets in for about 3 weeks, and then I'm like, I'm bored already. So what I have decided to do is a simple bun hairstyle that I've actually been rocking for like the last 2 months on and off. I love it. It's a simple, sleek, protective style. Normally when I do it, it lasts for a good week before I wash it out and do it again. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the bun, and I'm actually going to do it a little bit different than how I normally do it, because most times I just rock a bun, boom, that's it, lay down baby hairs. I've only worn it like this once, which is I'm just going to have two bangs, or I'm gonna part my hair in the middle and have 2 strips of hair just hanging down. Of course, I don't really want to be using my hair too much, so I went in my hair drawer and I do have some hair, so I'm going to use that. So just to show you guys what you will need for this look, I have the Edge Booster gel, so I'm going to use the gel. Of course, you can use Got To Be glue. Now, I don't normally use Got To Be glue, period. I did it the first time only, and I've worn this hairstyle maybe 4 times. I'm only going to use the Got To Be glue because I want it to be a little bit more sleeker than normal. So either one of your choice. I really love the Insta Hold Got To Be glue, but you know, the original, the OG, is here as well. I also have the Style Factor Edge Booster for those edges. Of course, a little hair glue, some hair, a little track, and then of course we need some hair. So this is pre-stretch 20 what? Every time I try to film. Come here. This is pre-stretch. I believe it's 22 inches. What I did is just folded it in half. No, I didn't fold it in half. What I did is I put a scrunchie to hold it. It's a million videos on how to do this, guys, so definitely you can take a look at that. Yes, honey. But what I am going to do right now is just go ahead and part my hair. I will say my hair is blow dried, and I did flat iron it yesterday. Normally when I do this, I just blow dry it and I just gel it down and go about my business. But like I said, I want this to last a little bit longer, so I actually did flat iron it. I'm probably about to flat iron that kitchen real quick. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. So I'm just taking a detangling brush to brush my hair up. I don't want to use my hard brush just yet because I don't want to pull or put too much tension on my hair. Yes, babe. I did forget to mention that my hair is moisturized. You definitely want to make sure that your hair is still moisturized even if you're putting it in this style. So I moisturize my hair, my scalp, and I also moisturize the ends of my hair. We still want some healthy hair around here. So I'm going to go in with the Edge Booster gel and really apply that to the nape of my neck.
put it in a ponytail just for a second. Not even really putting it on there hard. And I have my blow dryer. So I'm going to spray this. Brush. Brush.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. Say no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
So like I do pull it because I want it to be tight, but not too tight. Like, not too tight. We don't want all that extra tension on our head if we don't need it. So I'm using the soft part of the brush to just kind of brush the little flyaways that I know I'm gonna have. And we're going to tie our hair down. Oh, you pissing me off today. You want to act a fool because we on YouTube?
Everything you do is me love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Tonight, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me.
Alright, y'all, I'm getting a little frustrated because my hair is really acting up because we on camera, but this is the bun we're gonna work with for right now. I didn't secure it yet. I just wrapped it around, and then what I do is after I wrap it around, I'll like stick a bobby pin in the front and one in the back. So because I want this nice little sleek middle pot situation, and I'll part my hair. Baby, sometimes I feel like getting the middle part is something.
It's not that I don't want you here.
Can never get them the same. Literally. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. This is my super affordable, super chic, super low maintenance protective hairstyle. This is my bun, baby. I freaking love this hairstyle. And like I said, I was not shooting for the super sleek, not a single hair out of place look. If you want that, then definitely go ahead and do that. All you have to do is part your hair in sections as you're putting it into the ponytail. Spray the got to be glue free spray, and then use your blow dryer, and then keep doing your sections so your hair is super sleek. I wasn't going for that. Like I said, I did flat iron my hair the day before, but even then I did not flat iron it on like the super highest heat. So my memory card is saying I'm about to run out of memory. I'm so sick of this, y'all. It's my third time trying to film this. I hope you guys like this look. If you do, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.